It's your boy Taylor Grant here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Joan of Loveland, Colorado says, worst insurance experience in my lifetime. It took 14 days for an adjuster to show up after a tree fell onto our commercial property. I had to do all of the work at age 70. I chainsawed the tree and sealed the property to prevent further storm damage after 15 years of paying premiums. So let me just say that I'm pretty impressed with Joan thus far, okay? After 15 years of paying premiums in the hometown office, they said they would cancel the policy for a very small claim. I could have been self-insured, no service, just emails and voicemail. Go ahead and buy insurance company and get nothing. Please shop around for real insurance that has real people to talk to and not some cyber company that just takes your money. So very good point. A lot of these new insurance companies have moved online, or they're more of an app versus, say, a company. And I don't necessarily think that's bad. However, when you're looking for the customer service that you desire, maybe that's not the right way to go. However, talking about shopping for insurance, right? You hear me say this all the time. Make sure that you have the right policy and coverage, and then look at the price. But let's go back to her issue. If a tree falls onto your property and they're unwilling to help you, like, what's insurance for? Like, why are they here? You could not have insurance and not pay the premiums and have a tree fall onto your property and get the same result. That's not fair. So when you're running into a claim that the insurance company isn't paying fairly, isn't treating you fairly, then you need to get somebody involved to help you get the claim fully and fairly paid, right? Why should you have to pay out of pocket for a repair $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 when the insurance company should pay, right? But I'll tell you, I know the answer to this question. Most people give up before the insurance company actually pays. And so the insurance company makes it harder and harder and harder to get your money from them, because they know most people will just give up. They don't think it's worth the fight. Most people aren't the scrappy, tenacious fighters that we happen to be. And that's why you would hire someone like us to fight on your behalf. First of all, we don't give up. We're tenacious. But second of all, we know how to adjust claims and how this game works, right? And if you know the rules to the game and how to play the game, then we can actually get claims paid fairly, fully, more, right? Complete, to try to indemnify you as the insured, as the insurance policy dictates it should, right? So if you are running into a claim where the insurance company is not being fair and they're not paying the claim fairly and fully, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.